Mistake number 6, not using parallel structure in your writing. And here's what I mean. Take a look at this example. Spend a few moments reading this list and see if there is something that bothers you about the way that I constructed it. When sharing malware samples with researchers, what should you do? Well, take a look at this. Did the recipient ask for the file? Check whether you're allowed to release the sample, and so on and so forth. What is bothering you about this? Well, notice that every element in this list begins in a slightly different way. That is inconsistent. This is lacking parallel structure, or as some people call it, this lacks parallelism. Every one of these elements is a bit different. That is a problem. That slows down your reader's ability to comprehend what it is you're trying to say. And problems like this are most evident in a bulleted list. Think about your readers. What do your readers want? What your readers want is consistent patterns that allow them for easier skimming and reading of your content. So look at this. Here's the same list that I showed you on the previous screen, but I now revised it to introduce uniformity, or to introduce the parallel structure that it lacked. Notice that now every bullet point here consistently begins with a verb that is in a consistent form. When sharing malware samples, you should check after you've confirmed, and you should use, and you should share. Yeah, that's consistent. This is the parallel structure that I'm talking about. And notice how convenient it is now for you, the reader, to skim through this content, consume it, and decide whether it's worth it for you to read the full set of bullet points. So I suggest that you use parallelism. You will save your readers from stumbling, which means that they will be more likely to read what it is you're trying to say, and they will understand it. Look for opportunities to present related ideas as a series, and this series could be a set of bullet points, a set of words that are next to each other inside a paragraph. They could even be headings, but my point is that these contents that are in the series, they should be consistent with each other. They should be using consistent, similar forms. The problem that you saw in the example on the earlier screen was evident in a list, but the same parallelism ideas apply to series of words inside a sentence and to the headings that you might include inside of a report.